If this Uber doesn't show up, we've got no other way out of here.
It's super windy right now, but we've just left our workaway place, but we're just too overwhelmed with it. So we're now trying to arrange an Uber and a hotel for somewhere that's quite a distance. There's no taxis or communication. I'm betting my chances on an Uber.
So our Uber is now actually confirmed and showing that he's on the way. Hopefully this will all be okay. I even sent him a message to say thank you for accepting the trip. We're stuck here and there's no other transport, so we'll give you a 10% tip. And hopefully he doesn't bail out, because we could be up shit creek without a paddle. If this Uber doesn't show up, we've got no other way out of here. We're looking for a red Toyota RAV4. Oh my god.
How'd you feel, baby?
Unbelievable. Say goodbye to this place. It's been a pleasure. We are absolutely buzzing right now because we've just found this little gem of a hotel. I say we, Louise did this. Absolute gem of a hotel. It's actually a pub with a hotel above it, or a pub with rooms. It's very basic, but it's like so much better than where we've just been. There's no mouse poo. There's an actual shower. There's actual toilets. Then we've got to go outside in the night. There's even a TV. There's Wi-Fi. There's a bar downstairs. There's friendly staff, and it's cost us $120, so £60 for one night. Yeah, so happy to be alive.
Hashtag no regrets.
Yeah. In the cute town of Mulaney. Check it out because it is stunning. And we got biscuits, the same ones that we had on the plane.
Yeah. And I did steal an orange from where we were working. Plucked it
Disclaimer.
from a tree.
Oh, it's not a one. It's not a win every time. Let me show you how it's done.
I think we've only got 2 plays, you
If
know.
we don't win this, I'm going to be well fucked up.
Me too, mate.
What flavour do you want?
But anything that you think you can get.
It's got to be English, isn't it? Go on then. Get in. Yes, go on, my son.
But now it's
Oh
got
wait, what? That is what? That's not on.
I know.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That makes me want to play more. Right, no, hang on.
You're not doing it,
We're
are
supposed to
you?
be backpackers with no money. I've got no. You're on the film, so I can't.
What, you want me to do more?
No, it's a silly thing. Save this money. Don't get no. No way have they got Netflix on this TV. Hold the phone. Oh no. We're still logged into someone's account. Xanthi? Bitch. Masturbator. Money. Dad. Which account are we going to go for? Email us if you want to guess which account we went for. Your TV isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. Update Netflix household. I don't think we're going to make this happen, so we'll just have to sign into our own account. But the fact that it's there is cool. So just, oh for fuck's sake. Just being somewhere that's got amenities is pretty fucking cool.
Somewhere that isn't just fucking...
You know, just like no Wi-Fi, not even no conversation, just nothing.
Just met plenty of video of your first work at home or whatever it's called.
Oh, we got a bit. We got a whole chicken for £4.
That's not bad, is it?
No.
Not a cook, obviously a cooked chicken.
Mhm.
Yeah, fuck being on a vegan farm for fucking 10 days.
And then with the platypus and the bird in the front picture.
Oh wow.
Oh.
So we've come to do our first load of laundry. Real simple. Instructions are here. You can buy your washing tablets. There are buckets for the laundry. They accept card. They accept
notes to change into cash. And they have 14 kilogram washers, 12 kilogram washers, and all the dryers are the same. So we're going to do 2 loads, 1 darks, 1 whites. We should definitely go for 11.
100%.
And I think this will probably go lights.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm not an expert. 8.
10 and 11. Proceed. Promo code or voucher.
Try everything together.
Yeah, that's true. Success, success. I think you just do a tappity tap tap tap. Crediting machine. Confirmation. How was your experience? Zen.
Right, let's go find some coffee. Oh, let's go over to the garden centre. So this is Mulaney. Garden centre is there.
What's happened to me?
Oh no. Let me help. Oh, I wanted to help. Right, let's go check out this garden centre. If you were travelling and backpacking and you could have one tool to take with you everywhere, what would you have?
They have like pink steel toe boots, mate. Where were these when I was, engineer on site? Anyway, cable tying. Oh, little baby ones.
Imagine if one of our bags like tears or breaks,
Yeah,
or if we need to secure something.
I get it, and I agree. I have got a sewing kit as well.
Very good.
Yeah. I did win an award for embroidery when I was like 10. Just put that out there. Maybe we just buy a tent. What is that?
Oh yeah, how much would it cost?
Is that a pillar drill for sale?
Yeah, I used to use those all the time.
Me too.
Every day. Used to drill thousands of holes with one of them. Used to wear one of them every day.
Cute. Anyway, there's camping stuff. Maybe we should just forget the hotels and just buy a tent. Oh, citronella candle. I don't feel like that's probably a really good idea. I really want to open this. It's proving difficult with one hand. I used to wear a tool belt because it looked cool. It was actually so functional, it's ridiculous. Because, well, at that point I was just wearing leggings because I couldn't fit my arse into decent work trousers. Well, this place is wicked.
Why does the milk look so good here?
Yeah. What is that? What is that?
That is a violet crumble, which would be a crunchy in England.
Oh, stop it. I don't like crunchy.
They're frozen.
It's the way it shatters.
Look how big the chocolate bar is. Are we allowed to say it?
Say what?
That's not a knife.
You'll see actually a mural that says "Come to me," and you'll see a world of pure imagination before you enter the back room.
Brilliant.
So we will get that ready for you guys.
How cute is this place?
It's really stinking cute.
I know.
Oh, I need a mirror. You broke mine, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Just hold it if you're happy to. Just hold it on there. Just sit it on there for a minute, and then all we'll do is we'll just pull him out and twist him when we pull him. This kind of kills it or freezes it in a way. And the only thing it will do, you might just feel like maybe a little headache later.
I have got a headache.
Yeah.
He's only tiny and he's just got his little head in there.
think anything's in there.
You're an
I
absolute gem.
literally think he's just started to. What they do is they burrow.
Thank you so much.
But where have you been bushwalking or something?
Yeah.
today.
No, yesterday.
Oh, yesterday we were in the middle of nowhere.
Just do a little check over later. Any creases like your underline and your underarms and stuff. Just have a little check over each other because sometimes they get in those little warm, cozy places.
Yeah.
So we just jumped on a train from Mullaney to Landsborough. We would just come out of the shop and then thought, I wonder if we could get a bus. And Louise has looked on the app, and lo and behold, 5 minutes later, there's a bus going to Landsborough. So here we are. Just had a chat with the guy that's driving the bus, having a crack about places in England, places to go in England. Yeah. So we're now in the town of Landsborough. We just popped to a TSG. No, it's only because it's right there. An IGA. And they have a hot counter there. And we saw the hot dog and we were like, $1 for a hot dog. We'll hit that up. I'm not sure what kind of hot dog it is. It looks like a bacon roll to me. And then a box of chips with chicken salt because they say you've got to try that when you come here. We've already eaten half of them. Very good. And we also got some salmon quiche for $2, which is £1. And a fucking big pot of shepherd's pie for dinner for $3.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, that's gonna
So now we're going to sit and munch, drink coffee, eat chips.
Intense espresso. Oh, God, yeah.
It's a good time. Basically, we're just going to get the bus and train back to Brisbane because that's closer to the next workaway. Barbecues over there. Communal barbecues that anyone can use.
Yeah.
Barbecues that anyone can use. It's warm out here. I thought I was going to need a jumper, but I might have to take it off.
We've just got to do the annoying thing of delayering our bags.
891 Mullaney. There it is.
Is that really the one?
Yeah, that's the one to Brisbane. We're back in Brisbane now and we're going to be getting picked up for our next workaway. We're probably going to stay here for a few weeks and see how we get on. Hopefully it'll be better than the last one. And then 5 minutes after we got there, we saw this. Can I get closer?
Oh, of course you can. He's only a baby, see?
Yeah, he's small.
He's so gorgeous.
But he's through the fence there, so he's not
Oh,
going to...
yes.
Yeah.
So when you come in, I just didn't expect him to be around. See, all this is pulling out.
Ah, wow.
Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
He's
There we
gorgeous.
go.
Isn't that good?
Our first snake.
First
First
you got
snake and he's
yourself.
friendly.
Maxie, where are you? You're coming inside.
I always really wanted a snake.
Look at
Did
his
you?
tongue.
When I was a kid.
Look at his tongue coming out.
Yeah, that's how they sense everything through their tongue.
Hello.
Look, it's got the tongue. Looking it's all beautiful this way.
He's stunning.
Now, I think you might get yourself stuck there because you've got a big belly.
Yeah.
You may have something in it.
During winter in Australia, it does actually get cold.
Right.
So we came inside, lit a fire, and then settled down for the night, ready to start our new situation tomorrow with a bit of a better headspace, hopefully. If you find any of this stuff interesting, just give us a subscribe or a follow or whatever, and keep an eye because it's all going to get really interesting very soon. Thanks for watching.